If your dog licks your face, hindi lang yan lambing. Hello, my name is Miss Suzanne. Hindi po ako vet, but I've been with animal welfare for almost 25 years. I also had an international NGO that helps uplift the lives of Philippine dogs. Sa dogs, licking means I trust you, I care about you, or minsan gusto lang kita pakalmahin. Parang sinasabi nila, okay lang, nandito ko. Hindi lang kiss yan. Comfort yon, galing sa puso nila. Kung may aso ka ganito magmahal, you are truly lucky. Save this tip and hug your dog tonight.